Vine to Wine, episode 2, the first prune. But you could also call this episode Indecision or Wrong Decision. Both are wrong. Today, what are you saying? Today, we have to she's left that there again. We have to get this bit to the end of the greenhouse and the arms here, the end of the greenhouse. And to do that, you have to prune. You have to prune. So here's what you've got to do. Every 10 centimeters, you've got to get rid of the green things. Then all the juice, according to the internet, will get pumped into the brown thing. The brown thing will get to the end. Alright? Indecision or wrong decision? Both wrong. Because you don't have time for either in the grape game. So I'm now going to chop everything green every 10 centimeters. 12 centimeters. 13. Wrong decision, indecision. Just commit to it. So I'll keep him. I'll get rid of him because he's rubbish. Gone. Keep it. Get rid of him. Don't want him because he's pressing up against the glass. Indecision. Should I do it? Do it. Indecision, wrong decision. Both wrong. We'll keep him. Is that 10 centimeters? We'll get rid of this guy. Gone. Get rid of this. We'll get rid of this guy.
Keep him. Keep him.
He's smushed against the window. Gone.
Keep. Get rid of this one. Get rid of him. Get rid of him. Indecisions, no time for it. Get rid of him. Gone.
Keep. What's happening here? Get rid of the dead leaf. Get rid of this guy. Wedged under that metal thing. No room, no time. No wrong decisions. Now all the juice should now go... should now go into him. Follow me round here. Same process again. Get rid of him. No, actually, we'll keep him. He's all right. Actually, he's going up against the glass. Gone. Wrong decision.
You left a bit.
And then the last one at the top.
Keep him. Keep him. Ditch him. Actually, keep him. Keep him. Indecision. There's no room for it. Go. Get rid of him. Him.
Get rid of him.
Thanks, you hit me again.
Get rid of him. Keep him. Get rid of him.
And that concludes today's lesson, the first prune. See you at the next one. Post edit. With things that fall on the floor, if you disconnect the top of a shark contraption, Hoover, is that a wasp?
Hoover. No.
Then you can hoover it up. Do it. Show them how to do it.